Hi, kids. Welcome to Cute Little Learning.
It's adventure time. Oh, I'm so excited. The Elephant and the Ant. One beautiful morning, Ellie the elephant stumbled upon Andy the ant, who was struggling with a piece of watermelon which is much bigger than herself.
Need a hand, little friend?
Ellie chuckled, offering her trunk. Annie, with her tiny voice, replied confidently.
No thanks, Ellie. I got this.
She tugged and pulled, but the watermelon wouldn't budge. Intrigued by Andy's determination, Ellie decided to stick around. She watched as Annie strategized, using sticks to push the watermelon. After many failed attempts, Ellie gently nudged the watermelon with her trunk, sending it rolling. Annie was amazed.
Wow, Ellie, you're super strong.
From that day on, Ellie and Andy became unlikely friends. They explored the jungle together, Ellie protecting Annie from rain showers and Annie helping Ellie reach tasty fruits on high branches.
I still don't know how to repay you for being a great friend to Little Me, Ellie, but I'm sure one day I will.
Don't worry yourself. You are my friend. That's what is important.
They were always together, hanging out as friends. One day, Ellie was napping when a hunter spotted her and aimed at her. Annie saw the hunter and thought of what to do to save Ellie. Annie quickly crawled on the hunter's body and entered his ear. The shock of what could have entered into his ear made the hunter miss his target. Ellie was terrified at the sound of the gunshot and fled for her life. Annie quietly crawled out of the hunter's ear and escaped. The hunter was sad that he missed his target and looked on helplessly. That evening, Annie and Ellie met at their usual hangout, and Annie told Ellie about the hunter and what she did to save her.
You did what? Oh, I'm so grateful. Thank you so much.
The two friends were so happy that both of them are safe. Annie climbed on Ellie's back and off they went for a cool ride.
Dear friends, the moral of that story is that no matter how big or strong you are, do not despise those who are small or weak, because they might be your savior tomorrow.